so much money, man.
Whole internet come down for me one day through me talk out of my mouth. Them say me dey pay a payroll. Them say me have secret fear. Them make all video for me. Like what you call it? Them stitch video with me.
Yeah.
And answer me. You know the woman ever texted for you like you fuck her daughter. She.
Eh? Say that again?
The woman who ever texted for you like you fuck her child.
Oh, that shiny woman there?
Yes.
No.
She skit one video with me and they yes and like I may never answer because you know me no say honestly.
Zandra, boy, Zandra, you big up yourself, yeah, man. Zandra, you're a real woman. Me rate and respect, you know? I'm back and forth.
Yeah, then stop tell lie.
Me no rate that, but me no want to get no
stop like this, yeah.
No give her for me, you know. Me and her now back and forth. She's no.
Exactly, that be said too. That's say see me no piano man. I mean,
yeah. Guys, yes, want to see John Zarge diss me. Just diss me with her too, cause we not really medicine. Just want to see her just diss me too, please. John. Destiny. Nah lie, me see her breast. What go on? I don't know if people them say they not play with me again.
Why?
Who say them not play with you?
Because them say me not play with fish and so.
But them when fish come when I tell me not fish with them, so what they mean by?
But you know, me know my gender, me know say
you so. Mama tell you see if night could have turned there. You don't really know what them people are doing in them life, you hear?
I see him with me.
But the one them run from the bottom and them always in it.
Them not sure themselves. That's why.
I see him with me, Shay, so it makes sense. Me just do it and when they come out, just I'm not surprised.
Yeah, idiot, you know. You're really idiot. But this.
Oh, we are chat now.
And listen to me, I'm not chat nobody with you. I'm not chat nobody with you. Jayden, I want to show you something weird. Me
tell you to move your foot, you know.
Leave my foot alone. Let me want one picture from right here, so I want to show Jayden and tell me who this favor.
I have to work. She needs rest.
Ask him if him miss. Come, moderator mute.
No man, ask me anything them ask you.
Moderator mute. Go, hey, who you send out? Go send out your mother. Me look like blood clad send out. Big one girl, come on for me.
Read it, you know, read it.
Read it, man.
Me not read nothing. No, one can send me out. Go stop your mama, one can send me out.
This see them I say. How you can type it?
Blood clad. Go over there so go type it. Where the fuck you not come here so far? Me look like send out. Go send out to no mother. Me a big woman native. Me a pitney.
Why Destiny?
Show a picture now. How about picture show?
Well, me a put it to the phone.
Destiny, when I put herself together, look better than somebody in real girl. I mean, I tell the truth.
I know when you put yourself.
I see me at her.
Me say that boy I mix up my come on.
Shay, where that's it out? Talk now.
We at a bumper one, Mama show. I'ma get the picture. Eardrop the picture.
Yo, no matter with that. Hey, that girl named Akila look good, you know. With that name your girl, me I tell the truth. Akila. Yo, General. Yo, move it, General. Yo, Shay, how about this one? Shay, how about this
BLSL.
How about this Shay put me in a man, me think saying go behave himself, you know. Boy, body like a damn man. Love it still. Go to stuff with that, man. Run with it. I think I'm falling in love. Tell Shay to come back. Tell Shay if you come back. Hey, you see when me not, you see me I look after one girl and me not get them. Me I start this, me start this, you know, brawling me I tell you know. Because such a cute, sexy man like me, for the look and don't want to take lookings. Me I go this man, me I tell you honest truth, man, me I tell you honest truth. The next victim still, you know. Nah, lie.
That picture, yeah, who this? Jayden?
How that now?
This no favor somebody to you?
How that?
No, man. Ask your chat.
LD, no? No, man, Shay, you can't get me at them things. How I do? Yeah, man.
I ask you. Eh?
Uni LD now.
One boy will come out for Jayden and look close of him.
No, man, LD no good, man.
Him favor him for true. Him not favor him. A hypocrite boy. You don't favor him.
Eh?
You don't favor him, hypocrite.
Because you get up on them things and show some long so
Well, you shake one, I'm go talk about this topic. You're not supposed to come show me nice thing body. Me not look better than some girl. And that's you say.
So we are talk about. We are talk about. We are talk about.
Eh?
We are talk about. Destiny.
Me not talk about nothing. Me go cook some pork.
Destiny, let me tell you something. Me no fuck body, you know. So we are try it now work.
I mean, you know, fuck.
Me no fuck body.
Jayden.
Me no like you know.
Jayden, you think you could have fucked me? Any fucker go on me and fuck you?
Like that. Shay, rate the outfit there, you know.
Thank you.
Like that.
That's a that.
Like the outfit there, Shay, you know. The outfit there bad, you know. Better know that.
That, my love. Yeah.
Yesterday, leave Jayden alone. Okay.
Yeah.
So Destiny, where I did?
I'll cook some rice and peas and pork.
Then I come to Jamaica.
Kondoa. I'm here when they come chop off. My name.
Ask me if you can go to Switzerland.
No, I'm a good man. I go big foreign like down there. Big foreign more go.
Where you buy? Switzerland are more big. Switzerland are more. Europe are more big friend for America. You never know that when you hear about Europe, you hear about
Tikki, me
foreign.
never beg you nothing, you know. Me just
Let me say no, you no shame me can't.
When you hear about Europe, when you hear about Europe, Europe are more friend for America.
Jesus Christ.
I mean answer you, baby. But
No,
you know,
sir.
probably true me now no makeup brush me no want
No,
to
sir.
misunderstand.
Watch out. Boy, take your hard for fix still.
No, don't say, no, it's not hard for fix.
Watch out. Batman there, Sodomite there, and bisexual. Boy, bisexual.
Hey, what the animal say?
Here, boy.
Hey,
Eh?
hey.
What a mix.
Destiny teach them in a mouth of the father rock. Like he
I don't business in your
like
destiny.
he mouth produced by Valiant. When she
don't
talk, you see what she said before you
I want to
She can't do this, you know. She can't do this.
Jayden, you have no problem. Why you add
No matter what it is,
I want to notice with Uno Batman. Say, I want to see them Batman now. Their mouth always big. So wrong with their mouth. Their mouth ever show up.
Why you add Tikki with Destiny and them cannot agree?
Why?
No filter, Shay.
No
This is natural.
No filter.
No filter.
No filter. Destiny
This is all natural.
Hey,
No
Jayden,
filter.
love mix up, you know?
And
No filter.
now about no fast battle. No one see me real battle. Go over Twitter, go look
No
on it.
filter,
I'm
no
show it with
filter.
my panty and
Tikki
everything.
and Firebrand.
Destiny, my Twitter name Destiny
filter.
Pretty.
Tikki
My
Brown,
Twitter name
man.
Destiny
No filter.
Destiny Pretty. 24.
Make him take out,
Yeah,
make him
type
take
in
out the
X and go
filter.
over there, see everything.
Him said
Destiny
nah, ban no
24.
He have on
filter.
filter, I'm a tell.
Go over there and you guys see everything.
Tikki
When you say
Brown.
him, Destiny Pretty 24.
Yeah, I should party
actually,
for
put
me.
up
I
video
take
over
off my
there. Nice
clothes. I
and
see on the
clean,
back
no
of Jordan.
party.
Do this.
I'm with local people.
Tikki look
You
like
see them
one.
in the
Right,
hotel
you're
fan,
not in
alright.
my fucking category. I don't beg and
Akila, be next
big
victim.
At the end of the day,
baby, I'm gonna pick you
any girl,
tomorrow
remember
and
say
give
me
you
the
some
only
cash.
batty man take off
And
my
I'm gonna do
clothes and show
surgery.
up on
I'm a
TikTok.
bad bitch, man.
I'm a too big. Share this with me strip naked for
Right,
TikTok.
right.
No,
Twitter is
RT,
Destiny.
You never did say me I show when me I show them the sweet
I'm
pepper with
happy.
Junior and the sweet
RT, do it
pepper.
before
Oh,
you.
yeah, me see it.
Me batty Jordan no look big and fluffy,
Yo, John, me can't tell us so.
juicy. Me batty Jordan big no blood clot in a
Me can't with somebody with
Me can't understand this, so. Too much batty argument, no. Can't understand this, so, brother. Can't understand this, so, youth. Yo, that's why I played some of them, you know. Cause that's why I played some of them, youth. Nah, like, man, stay still. Yes, man, I said that's why I played some of them, dog, cause some of them have respect. Yes, man, I say, like Trevor and them and Bams. And then you, them, and Jabas, you see it? And TJ. You see, cause them dog, you see them fish, them have respect and so. You see it? Yeah, man, I'm sure of myself, man. A girl, me thing there. Alright.
See as my